So I made it to 6 months. Hey guys, this is Lena from Lena's Lovely Locs. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we're going to talk about my 6-month lock anniversary. It has been 6 months since I've been locked. So yes, I've made it. We made it to 6 months, half a year. It's exciting. It is. So I'm going to tell you what to expect if you are 6 months sister locked. Okay, so if you've seen all of my previous videos, you know that you can still be going through the itching, the dandruff, the dryness, the hands and hair syndrome. I'm still going through that. What else? The shrinkage. So you can still be going through those things at 6 months. See, I'm going through those things at 6 months. I have been experiencing something, and I'm going to show you guys what's been going on with my locks. I think I have holes in my locks. I am forever touching my hair, so that's how I felt that hole in my lock. I don't know. I think I know how they got there, but man, that's so discouraging. I'm going to show you guys a picture right here of a hole in one of my locks. I'm going to take it up and see Marie. I'm going to see her in a couple of weeks for my 7-month retie and see what she thinks about them. And they're more so in the tiny locks. They're like little holes. So I don't know if once my lock starts to actually lock up and maybe cocoon around that hole. So maybe that's going to happen. Maybe she may have to repair some of these locks as I move further in my journey. I don't know what's going to happen, but I do know that I do have some holes in my locks. So that's unfortunate. I'm not going through too much of the slippage. So that's a good thing. Remember I told you guys, or I showed you guys last month, that little thin struggle lock. So I'm going to show you how it's looking, because Marie did fix it, but it's still really thin at a certain point, and then it gets thick at a certain point. So I'm still worried about that. Let me get up here and show you. You guys see I still have those white bulbs going on in the front of my head. Is this it? Yes, this is it. So do you see the new growth where she kind of attached it to what's growing there, and it gets really thin right there, and then starts thickening back up in this spot. So again, I'm still really careful with that lock. I don't too much do anything to it. Like, I try to stay away from this side of my head. You can see that I have a style. If you saw my 4-month journey, I said I was kind of getting bored with my locks, you know, with the different hairstyles I cannot come up with, because I think I'm at an awkward stage in my length where I can't put it in a bun. But yeah, so I got it pent up on the side using some bobby pins. And yes, I am very careful not to like puncture my locks or put any holes in my locks with those bobby pins. So I don't think that's where those holes are coming from. And plus, the holes in my locks are like down up in here, and I don't put anything up in here. Yeah, so if you notice here that a lot of my budding is gone, because I pulled them out, because I have hands and hair syndrome, because I got a problem. You know, that's the first step to recovery, is admitting that you have a problem. And I have a problem with hands and hair syndrome. So, yeah. But yeah, so my buds are gone because I took them out just by playing in my hair. So we'll see what happens with that next. What's going on? I'm so excited. I am halfway through the year, and I've like watched a lot of my, my lock stars, and they're like on their, first year journey and further, and I'm so happy for them, and I cannot wait until I get to my 1 year. Y'all ain't gonna be able to talk to me. Like, don't say that to me at all. So I'm I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down so I can give you guys a 360 of what is going on. And I told y'all last month that I was going to give you guys a video after I did my fresh retie, because you know I like to show you guys a before and after shot of, you know, my reties. But life is like, a lot has been going on in my neck of the woods, and I just haven't been able to post that video. So my hair is extremely dirty. I'm not going to wash it. I'm just going to tell the truth. I'm not going to wash it until next week before I get my retie. But let me show you guys what's going on with my locks. So I showed you, you know, these white bulbs that are still going on. Here is in the middle. So here we go. But yeah, that's what's going on with my locks. So that was my 360. Do you guys see any growth going on? Like, I can see it, but I can't see it because I see my hair every day. But yeah, so that is what's been going on during my 6-month lock anniversary. Not too much, but enough. You get what I'm saying? I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey so far. All of my subscribers, you know I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell to get notified on when I post new content. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thanks for joining us at Lena's Lovely Locks.